Good morning and welcome to Gray Man Walking. Today is day 50. Just leaving the long trestle that carries both the AT and the I can't remember. But anyway, it's 45 degrees, a few minutes after 8. Plan today is to go about 16.5 to the edge of Grayson Highlands State Park. Can't camp in the park, so we gotta stay on this side of it, but that'll let us go through it in the morning. So it rained off and on last night, sometimes pretty hard, but I was warm and dry. So you know what time it is. It's time to walk. Must have rained a little more than I thought last night. Because the water is running everywhere this morning. It's very pretty. Not 100% sure, but I believe that's where we're going. We're about 4 miles in for the day. Just had a little snow shower. It doesn't get you as wet as rain, so I'm all for it. About almost 12 miles in for the day. Trail's been really wet and muddy. All that rain we got last night really showed itself. One time I thought we was in New England. The way the water was running down the trail. Sun's popped in now a couple times. Feels good and warm on your back when it does. Okay, another day. Did 14.2 today to Thomas Knob Shelter. We're just about a mile from mile 500, and just another mile or so from Grayson Highlands State Park. So that's what we're going to do in the morning. It's white outside, but snug and warm in here. Climbed, what was it, White Top and Mount Rogers today, but it was a good day. The worst part of it was all that rain we had last night. There was water running down the trail everywhere. I thought we were in New England. But hopefully we'll see some ponies tomorrow. And I'm hoping the sun will come out. We'll see you then. Good night.